invitation, baby, not an offer to you. The public makes the offer when they walk on through. If the offerer dies before you say yes, that offer's gone forever, it'll never be expressed. It can die by rejection, by a counter offer too. Lapse of time can take it. What's a person gonna do? But listen close now, baby, here's what you gotta know. Offers can be revoked, that's the default sign. Less consideration keeps it open, that's an option. Firm offer, signed, writing, merchants, 3 months max. After that it's revocable, and those are the facts. Offer, acceptance, consideration, 3, that's how you form a contract. Now promise me. Direct revocation means he's taking it back. Indirect is when you hear he made a deal with someone else. Ooh, that's whack. A counter offer kills the deal, don't get it confused. You change the terms up, baby, the original's refused. Unilateral contracts, revocable till you start. Partial performance locks it in, straight from the heart. Option contracts need consideration to survive. UCC needs merchants and a sign writing to stay alive. 3 months maximum, and then it's back to square one. Offers can be revoked, that's the default sign. Less consideration keeps it open, that's an option. Firm offer, signed, writing, merchants, 3 months max. After that, revocable, and those are the facts. Offer, acceptance, consideration, 3, that's how you form a contract. Now promise me. Don't get confused on your exam day, baby, listen to me. Options need consideration, that's the only way. UCC needs merchants and a writing sign between. 3 months, then it's revocable. Split the scene. And unilateral offers can't revoke once it's begun. Start performing, baby, and the contract's done. And the contract's done.